how your journey and how you connected to this South cinema or a South industry, or I must say South India.
I am from Guntur, born in Vizag. So for me, it is like my mother tongue and my motherland.
So how was your journey, ma'am? Your background, like studies-wise, your childhood?
Because my dad was in a transferable job, so మేము ఒక చోట లేము. So every time it was transferring, and ultimately we were in Bombay. So from the age of 10, నేను బాంబేలోనే ఉన్నాను.
He was in Bombay. Obviously, the first cup of tea will be Hindi songs. How come you inspired him to come in this industry and his first song in Telugu?
No, he was singing in all the languages in jingles.
So I know it will be very tough for you to ask this question, like his favorite Telugu song, which you loved
Mine,
it.
Butta Mama is the biggest favorite.
Well, welcome to my show Trendsetter, and I have a really trendsetter rocking woman. I've been inspiring and following up for this interview for a long time. Finally, she got some love and care for me that she agreed for this interview. It's none other than Armaan Malik mother. I must say, we should not say Armaan Malik mother, but she been a great pillar to him. So her name is Jyoti, and she's from I was excited to know about her little bit journey and how being a mother she inspired his own son. So let's find out more details about her, and thank you so much, ma'am, giving us a time.
Thank you.
Really by heart I'm saying that, because I've been following up and you don't have any craze of giving interviews, as I know that. But a little bit excitement, how your journey and how you connected to this South cinema or a South industry, or I must say South India.
I am from Guntur.
Yes.
Born in Vizag. So for me, it is like my mother tongue and my motherland.
Okay.
So, since Armaan, as a kid, used to sing in all languages for his jingles and all, so I wanted him to sing in the films as well in Telugu. That would be giving great high to me and my mom, and she would feel great about it. So that's how we said, "Ki Telugulo paatalanni." That's how he's entered.
So how was your journey, ma'am? Your background, like studies-wise, your childhood,
See,
where you
my
spend most of the
childhood
time?
was basically first because my dad was in a transferable job, so మేము ఒక చోట లేము. So every time it was transferring, and ultimately we were in Bombay. So from the age of 10, నేను బాంబేలోనే ఉన్నాను.
Okay. So you were in Bombay only. So your culture being like, you were missing your culture, like coming
No,
to
we
Hyderabad?
have kept our culture very intact. అందుకే తెలుగు మాట్లాడడం వచ్చు, తెలుగు అన్నం, తెలుగు లంచ్, డిన్నర్, everything
Wow.
is.
So professionally, what is about your hobbies like?
I am basically a teacher, and I used to teach.
Wow.
But when I started managing the boys and saw that they are interested in the film industry, so it's a line where you need somebody to take care. So I left my job and I said, let me be with the boys. So I'm managing Armaan.
I must say you're a real teacher for your kids, because I must say that the way you have grown up and the way they bless and they wish everybody so down to earth. So I think you're the real teacher. So what was a big struggle, ma'am, managing kids and then leaving your job and then getting into their work, daily basis work? How you do that?
No, completely 100% it is management. So job is now no there. Long back, 20 years back, I left the job.
Okay.
So it's completely being a housewife and taking care of the career.
So when Armaan started singing, when you actually thought that this child wanted to get more attention for the music only, or there was a background from in your family where people from music they
My
love?
father-in-law is a music director. My brother-in-law Anu Malik. My husband Abu Malik. My
Yes.
son Amal Malik. All are music directors. In this family of music directors, Armaan is the only singer who's professionally taken singing. And right from the age of 3, he used to sing.
Three.
He sang for his school on the stage as a professional singer type of a performance. So we thought we'll put him in classes, and there he began his journey. And at the age of 8, he was in Saregama Little Champs. That's how began his reality show journey.
Yes, reality show. So then you started being like a pillar, like you were supporting.
Yeah. We full family was supporting. They always support music.
So then, what about the Telugu? Like he was in Bombay. Obviously, the first cup of tea will be Hindi songs. How come you inspired him to come in this industry and his first song in Telugu?
No, he was singing in all the languages in jingles. Karthik Raja, so many people. So when he got first song, I don't remember which was the first song exactly. But when he got the Telugu song, he first thought, how will I be able to do it? But he is very good linguist and he knows Telugu. Full Telugu chanta.
Okay.
Properly.
But when we ask him to give interview, he always like hide.
He's got that little bit of a hesitance. Maybe wrong, grammatically wrong అవుతుందేమో అని మాట్లాడు, కానీ అంతా వచ్చు కంప్లీట్లీ. ఇద్దరు పిల్లలకి ఫుల్ తెలుగు వచ్చు.
ఓకే.
సో it was easy. He writes anyway. He does sings in 20 languages, not only Telugu. So for him it is he's a linguist. You can say he can catch the nuances of the language very fast. So for him Telugu was not tough because he's been hearing it at home. So it is easy.
So I know it will be very tough for you to ask this question, like his favorite Telugu song which you loved.
Mine?
It. Yeah.
Mine, you can say
All time. You wanted to hear it.
Butta Mama is the biggest favorite. No doubt.
No doubt.
about
That's
it.
favorite. That's a legacy he has
Yes.
given actually.
Biggest
I
song
think,
in Telugu film industry.
Yeah. And Hindi songs which you love.
Many, because my elder son has composed most of the songs which Arman has sung. And Dhoni and Chale Aana. ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి, मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి.
So when a family is full of music and you're a teacher, somewhere you get connected, your interest.
No, I don't at all listen to music. I don't listen to music. I'm not musical in that sense. But I think management is more my forte. So for me, I'm not connected to the music part, creative part of it.
You have created a legend, I must say. Musical legends.
But my genes have not come in the music. It's my husband's genes. Since he is the composer and the creative person, you can say it's the genes from the family. Everyone is musical.
But what you say nowadays, like when we see a woman, they're doing multitask job. What a tip must be you having, and the way you have maintained, ma'am, I must say the fitness funda. What makes you keep fit?
Keep fit is running behind the children.
Oh, that's every woman, every mother do that. But still, because when most of the people get confused whether you're a sister or a mother.
That
so
is a
how
compliment I take, but done nothing extra. Just take care of the regular walks. I don't do anything much.
Not on the eating side or any fitness
No, I'm
schedule?
very much foodie, and South Indian food, Telugu food, Andhra food, avkai, magai, gongura, anni tined.
Okay.
No control on any food.
So when it comes to ma'am Hyderabad, what actually gives you spark when you come to Hyderabad? You have to pick that or something.
I want to go and eat Telugu khana.
That's it.
Ante.
Shopping wise?
Shopping all over the world, shopping is the same.
Okay.
Ain't shopping extra late.
Okay, and as Arman Malik is getting married, and how the new journey, being a mother-in-law. Well, people have not actually accepted you as mother, now being a mother-in-law. How
Not
this
yet.
new role?
They're still engaged, and it's a
But
long
you will
time
be a
to go.
mother-in-law.
That will be too. When it comes to that, we'll see.
So what message you will give to all the women there who are handling their jobs? They are not leaving their jobs, they still want to do it and manage the home
woman
also.
has, not only women, today everyone has to multitask. Without multitasking, you cannot achieve anything. Time management is the most important key that we have been following from ages. I'm very organized in my time in that way.
So you have a dream for yourself?
My dream is fulfilled through my children. I'm happy.
You're happy. So they have anything dream to achieve, or you have said, okay, I want you to be this. They already achieved, but
Yes.
still something is there.
No,
that,
whatever they're achieving, God's grace, we are happy with whatever is that.
so you don't want to impose anything or nothing.
Not at all. It has to come naturally. Why impose? There is no nothing like that. They have to achieve the best. They have to work hard. Everything will come.
So do you think, ma'am, now generation as compared to the previous generation, as the coming generation, do you see any changes when you meet your relatives or your family when you go out? What difference you see and observed?
Like what?
Like earlier the childrens were there, they used to follow parents. Now we see a different generation.
No, my
Do you
children
find
follow.
If there is a way of dealing it, do you think there
I
has
don't
to
know.
be?
It's your upbringing mainly.
So can we have some tips? What makes
There
you
is nothing. We are very close knit as a family, and so I think that's whatever you see in the family and the upbringing of the environment in the house that makes you what you are.
So basically now when we see, both mother father are working, and then kids.
No, we have lot of time for our children. We are always around, and since we are all working in the same industry, we are very closely knit.
So when the kids comes to you and ask you, Mom, give me some tips how we need to go in a family. Will the kids comes to you, your boys, and they ask for any tips or something,
No,
or advices something?
They are completely on their own and creatively. I can't give them any advice because it's not my line.
Okay.
But they know that they have to work hard with sincerity and dedication.
So what kind of cinema lover you are, ma'am? Telugu or Hindi? What?
Telugu, I see all Telugu movies
Telugu.
on Prime and Aha TV and everything. Aha.
So you're pakka cinema lover, I must
No,
say.
not pakka cinema lover, but whatever time I get to watch, I watch Telugu movies, Malayalam movies,
Okay.
and English movies.
Okay. So
Hindi is
recently
okay.
your favorite Telugu movies, ma'am?
తెలుగు మూవీ రీసెంట్లీ ఎంతో టైం నేను చూడలేదు. సాయి పల్లవి ఫిల్మ్ ఉండేది ఒకటి,
Okay.
పడి పడి లేచే మనసు ఉంది.
Okay.
దట్ వాస్ నైస్.
3. 1 is done. 2
దట్
more.
ఈస్ ఓన్లీ. దెన్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండది ఉండేది ఒకటి,
Okay.
ద ఫస్ట్ మూవీ దట్ హీ డిడ్.
Okay.
ఐ డోంట్ నో విచ్ వన్ వాస్ దట్, లవరా ఇది కదా.
That Arjun Reddy. Vijay Deverakonda.
అర్జున్ రెడ్డి కూడా చూసి.
Okay.
అర్జున్ రెడ్డి వాజ్ మచ్ బెటర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు దెన్ ఇన్ హిందీ. I
Yeah,
felt.
yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know.
So, ma'am, do you feel like the compliments when you get, like, you know, the first compliment where they gave you, oh my God, are you a mother of 2 kids? How you take that? Because the way you are involved with your family, with the kids,
I
we
take
don't.
it as any normal. I'm not. I don't let any praise to go to my head. Like I am not here to enter into any glamour line, so it doesn't matter.
So there was no nothing in your dreams like, okay, my kids are doing well, I'm happy. That's it.
Yes, 100%.
Oh, that was great. So you if you talk about your husband, like, you know, he's from a music industry and then you're a teacher, do these backgrounds sometimes takes time to understand a couple when they're professionally from different backgrounds? I just wanted to know that.
I think there is the same format of following, managing your time, working hard in a disciplined way. Any career, whether it is education or music. If
So
you
you
follow,
met,
you have to follow.
little bit, just you met your husband in Bombay only?
Yes, that's it. I
Okay,
don't-
you don't want to get into this, much into that, but really I love the interaction part, but really it's an inspiration, like age is not the bar, you should be with your kids all the time,
Yes,
and they are your
100%.
inspiration. So do you believe in this, ma'am, that there is a time when your kids need and after that you should leave? Do you believe in this?
Kids need and
This much time, you know, or this age we should be around them, and after
you
that
should always be around them. Whenever they need, they can come to us. We should be
Okay.
available to them always.
okay.
Not at the same time be on top of them.
But I just want, ma'am, 3 lines or a secret that makes a couple or a marriage works
How
nowadays.
I cannot give any example.
But what is important, like for all the youngsters, they can hear and
It's a
actually.
lot of sacrifice on both the parts.
Yes.
You just cannot expect one partner to keep on compromising. I think it is a joint effort to keep any relationship on.
Right.
And you should have the love to do it.
Yes.
Most important. Inclination. Then it
So
will happen.
one line for Arman Malik, for your son. Oh, for your coming daughter-in-law. Thank you so much, ma'am,
Okay,
talking to
bye-bye.
us for iDream. Thank you so much. That was a really fun interaction, an inspirational interview with Jyoti ma'am. Well, for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.